let's solve this question together. It says 5 raised to the power x minus 3 is equal to 45. We're going to solve for the values of x in this question. Okay? Now, first things first, you can say that when we have a raised to the power m minus n is equal to a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. Okay? So when we have 5 raised to the power x minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power x divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Okay? Now, moving on from here, we can say that 45 can be expressed to be, so 45 here can be expressed to be 5 times 3 squared. Okay? 3 squared is 9, 9 times 5 is 45. Now, we can now write this as 5 raised to the power x is equal to 5 times 3 squared, okay, divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Alright. Now, moving on from here, we can say, let's multiply both sides by 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, so we have 5 raised to the power x to be equal to 5 raised to the power 3 times 5 times 3 squared. Okay, now, from this juncture, we can say when we have multiplication of two numbers in the same base, so this is 5 raised to the power 3 and this is possibly 5 raised to the power 1. Okay, because 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to 5. Now, when we have multiplication of something like a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus m, okay, or m plus whatever this would be. Now, 5 raised to the power x now will become equal to 5 raised to the power 3 plus 1 is 5 raised to the power 4, okay, multiplied by 3 squared. Now, let's also continue from here. So moving on from here, we can now say that this is 5 raised to the power x and this is something on this side. This is 5 raised to the power on this side. We can say let's take the logarithm in the base of the number carrying x. So 5 is carrying x here, so we can say logarithm in base 5 or 5 to the power of x is equal to the same thing, logarithm in base 5 of 5 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 3 squared. Okay, now, so moving on from here, we can say now when you have logarithm of a number raised to a power, you multiply this log with this power. So we have x multiplied by logarithm of 5 to base 5 is equal to, for this side we have logarithm in base 5 of, now 5 to the power of 4 times this can be re-expressed as 5 to the power of 4 plus logarithm in base 5 of 3 squared. Okay, now from here we can say logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So 1 times x is x. Okay, and this is equal to logarithm of this is 4 multiplied by logarithm of 5 to base 5 plus 2 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 5. Okay, now from here we have that our x will become equal to logarithm of 5 to base 5 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 2 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 5. And this becomes the final answer of x in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.